Hello there. I am your narrator, the narrator, and these are the stories of the Gmod Railway. Now, what exactly is the Gmod Railway? Well, you see, it is a railway that connects maps across the Gmod workshop, and in some cases even beyond that. Primarily things from the source engine, such as games like Half-Life 2 to Left 4 Dead, and the various expansions that go along with those games. There is practically no bounds as long as it's contained within the source engine. However, today we'll be talking about a certain map called GM_Sunset Gulch. Now, normally the trains that inhabit this map were made by the amazing person known by the name of Crazy Box Head. Now, his engines usually do work on this map and across other maps, doing excursion for rail fans. Most rail fans only dream of seeing some of these old times like and all the engines love to give the rail fans a big show. They're fully aware rail fans are there, so that's why they do it to begin with. Before we talk about the interesting engines, let's talk about the blue tank engine that's been self-inserting himself into almost everything nowadays, and you've been hearing about for the past 8 months, and his 3 friends. What, were you expecting the whole cast of Thomas? Anyway, one morning, James and Percy were a little annoyed that they were just sitting in the shed not pulling any trains, but fresh cobwebs. Eventually, James spoke. Okay, this is gonna be like a test, James. This is not finalized, James. Note that, Noah. Ugh, I'm so bored. I want to go out and pull trains again. Like, what are we even doing here? I agree. I haven't probably pulled a train in a long time.
I shouldn't be sitting here. I should be pulling the express, but nope. I'm sitting here.
Yeah, they've been saying this stuff for a long time. And Thomas, well, he wasn't too happy to hear the arguing. All the time.
You shut up!
I just woke up and I already get to hear you blokes argue about going out every day, even though we do go out just as shunters. Like, please, jeez, shut up! Well, I'm sorry, Thomas, but you know, you actually get to run a lot more than us. Even Percy, he should run just as much as you, but nope, he's still sitting here, waiting. Oh, I know, it's a test, but still.